Hi, and welcome to the June edition of the glassBYTEs.com newscast, sponsored by AGRR magazine. I'm Penny Stacy, editor of AGRR magazine, and today my co-anchor, Katie Hodge, and I are going to bring you the month's top stories. Of course, the automotive industry crisis has filled the news of late.
GM filed for bankruptcy on June 1st and announced it would close and idle several plants throughout the United States. Parts suppliers are still waiting to hear what will happen to their contracts with the company as it transfers to the new GM. Officials say the new GM will be a more product-driven company than it has been in years past. Chrysler also recently filed for bankruptcy and already has begun to emerge from the process.
Just 2 weeks ago, the court approved Chrysler's merger with Italian manufacturer Fiat. In late May, the company released both its supplier list and those it would take with it to Fiat. Topping the glass suppliers on the list was Guardian Industries, who at the time of filing had a pre-petition claim of $4.3 million. Just behind it was Pittsburgh Glass Works at $2.8 million.
In other manufacturing news, Saint-Gobain France recently filed suit against Pittsburgh Glass Works, alleging patent infringement on 3 different patents involving acoustic and soundproof glass. PGW has not yet filed a response to Saint-Gobain's complaint, and officials have not responded to our calls for comment. Suits have been a popular topic in the industry.
Yes, in fact, one industry representative recently made a large stride in a suit he filed against Progressive Insurance. Remember Greg Coccaro? Last month he told us about the case and the fact that he and his counsel were awaiting approximately 800 claims files from the insurer.
Right now we're still in discovery phase. We should have been further along, but Progressive has been kind of stonewalling on giving us the documentation we've asked for. And the judge is getting pretty frustrated with them, and he's given them an order to produce by the 28th of this month, or he will strike their answer, which means we go right to damages and they can't defend their case.
Well, this month he got his wish. On May 28th, Coccaro and his attorneys received 68 boxes of paper claims files from Progressive. Coccaro's legal team had 45 days from the time they received the files to sort through them as part of discovery in the case. In other news, Phillips Products, an RV window manufacturer in Elkhart, Indiana, is closing its doors this month.
Phillips' parent company, Tompkins plc, has been trying to sell the division for about a year and a half, and when they weren't able to locate a buyer, decided to close up shop, according to communications from company management distributed to suppliers and customers. Though the economy still remains down, that hasn't stopped many industry companies from launching new products and services.
At the recent Spring Auto Glass show, one popular product was the eDirect Glass remote ordering software. The software is compatible with Apple's iPhone, BlackBerry, and Google Android mobile devices.
It's a complete point of sale and customer management system. It's 100% internet based, so anytime, anywhere. If you have a mobile laptop, you have an Air card or a mobile phone, you can have access to eDirect Glass. And it's really pretty straightforward and simple. You'd click on Quotes and Invoicing. Go to Quotes, click on Save, and it's going to move you right along to the vehicle screen. Select the NAGS catalog or a local catalog with cost plus pricing. Select the glass part. It automatically selects the adhesive for me since I have that set up already. And your quote is done.
Of course, technology seems to be the name of the game for both the industry and consumers at large. To accommodate this need, Sika recently launched a website to educate consumers on safety.
Over here we're featuring our new video, No Shortcuts to Safety. It's about belted dummies and unbelted. It's in the strictest interpretation of safety.
I'm sure we'll be seeing more and more technology like this coming out in the future. In fact, in the July-August issue of AGRR, we'll be taking a look at some of the newest PDA and GPS devices available to auto glass businesses.
Be sure to watch for this issue and let us know if there's a particular item you think should be featured. You can email us at pstacy@glass.com.
Thanks, Katie, and thanks to you for joining us for this edition of the glassBYTEs.com newscast. I'm Penny Stacy.
And I'm Katie Hodge.
And we'll see you next time.